Wait, okay. I have to do the introduction.
Smile, Georgia.
Tonight we are doing story time with Georgia. And action.
Once upon a time, there was a little girl, and her name was Vectis. And she walked through the woods every day, and she picked berries, and the animals were her friends. There was a deer, a fox, and a female.
And a what?
Female.
And they all loved Vectis. And she would walk around and pick and steal other berries and other herbs. And she would catch fish at the pond, and she would go back home and make some stew.
Fish stew?
And the fish got put back in the water. She did not eat them.
What was in the stew?
In the stew was berries, mushrooms, and a couple of apples. And one night she found a tent. She put it up, and then she slept. She saw some sleeping bags inside the tent. She laid down and took a nap. Then she woke up and saw some food. She was very hungry, so she ate some food. And then the next morning, she saw a drink. And she was so thirsty that she drank all of the drinks.
Was it Kool-Aid?
Yes. And the next morning she saw nothing but some food and a tent and some other kinds of drinks. And right standing next to her was a little chipmunk. I gave you all
What was
this
it?
chipmunk.
A chickmunk. Okay.
And I gave you all of these foods and very good vegetables. So the little girl said, I never heard of a talking chipmunk, but thank you. You're welcome, said the chipmunk. And the chipmunk said, I'll come back tomorrow and leave you another surprise. So the little girl was so excited that she ran back to her room and went fast to sleep. And the next morning, there was a chipmunk on a chair.
Is that where you were talking to those people?
Look at that table, he said. And there sitting at the table was a little kitten. And the little kitten was mewing. So Vectis went over and picked him up and petted him softly. The little kitten purred. That's for you, said the chipmunk. What are you going to name him? Vectis said, I'm going to name him Spark. And the little kitten and the little girl and the chipmunk lived happily ever after. The end.
Wow.
That
was quite a
was
story.
a really good story.
Yay!
Okay.